One misconception of meditation is that if you're meditating, your mind will be blank. You can't make your mind blank. And if you try, you're just going to wind up with a gigantic headache. In a way, when we're on autopilot, we're sleepwalking through our lives. Mindfulness is traditionally a form of meditation. It's the awareness that arises from paying attention on purpose, in the present moment, and non-judgmentally. If you're breathing, this class could be for you. I've been committed to mindfulness for well over 50 years. It's a way in which you could take care of your body, take care of your mind, and that's what this is really about. The entire thrust of this MasterClass is not about attaining, it's about recognizing you're already whole. When you set about bringing mindfulness into your life, the best coping strategy is to recognize stress and how to minimize our reactivity to those stressors. No matter how stressful, no matter how painful, I could ground myself in the present moment. Stop, remember, drop. We can cultivate mindfulness in an array of different ways. And the beauty of meditation is some forms will resonate with some people, and other forms will resonate differently with other people. I do not consider this to be a master class. This is not about mastery. I'm not the curriculum. You're the curriculum. This is an invitation to befriend yourself and sign up for the adventure of a lifetime. This is Jon Kabat-Zinn, and this is my non-masterclass.